Hey guys, now you are going to follow me to buy some teaching aids in Penang. We're going off to an ABM shop. It's called Phoenix and they have some really cool stuff here that you can get. You can see there's a lot of shapes and boards and papers that they have here. It will be so great for language arts. There's a shoe here that I'm thinking of something very fun to do, and I love these boards, so I can make like word cards and picture cards. That's for some activities later. Ooh, definitely these ones. These ones are great because it's only 1 ringgit and 80 cents for a lot of them. Getting those, and as you can see, there's more bears. And I like this one because you can write and wipe it off. It's like a whiteboard sort of. And there's a lot of googly eyes there. This is what I ended up getting, and all that for 39 ringgit. And this is the store. See ya!